Hello guys. I want to test the ForjeGig bot with you guys. It is just a product of the Forje project alongside the Forge pad, which is the very first Telegram native launchpad. So for the ForjeGig, it is also the very first Telegram native gig payment escrow. So what it does basically is just making sure that the terms of a job that has been agreed by the client and the freelancer is enforced in the smart contract as an escrow. So ultimately, ensuring that the freelancer does not ghost the client after getting paid, and ensuring that the client does not ghost the freelancer after receiving a completed job. So the Forge gig escrows ensure that both party keeps to the term of the agreed terms of the work. So we are going to be testing how it works, on the Forje mini app and also on BS Scan. So let's head over to the official Forge Telegram group. So here I can find the bot, the Forge at the Forge bot. You can also search for this bot on Telegram and on the Telegram search box, and you'll be able to see. All right, let's start the bot. Here we have the basic commands, the client command, which is the create job, and the freelancers command, which is the link, and the global commands, the open, the who, and the start. So we will just go ahead and okay, the very first thing the client should do is to set wallet. I think I already have this in my clipboard. Yeah, set wallet. Yeah, here set wallet command, and my wallet address as the client, as this will be the wallet address that will be encoded inside the escrow contract as the client. Both the client and the freelancer will have their wallets linked to the escrow contract, and they will be the only two to have access to the contract. So this is decentralization, the power to complete a job, to make payments, to raise disputes, to approve job done, is totally within both parties, no third party. So it's the client, the escrow, the freelancer. All right, I will go ahead and set my wallet as the client. Yeah, before I can create the escrow, I have to set my wallet. The next step is to create job. So to create job, followed by freelancer's wallet address. I am creating job for a freelancer, and I need to put his wallet address, which is this. Then I would set this my preferred not my preferred, actually, the agreed settlement token, because before I come to ForjeGig to use the bot to create an escrow that will hold funds between me and the freelancer, we must have agreed on terms, which included the settlement token, which is right here. It could either be USDT or USDC, BNB Smart Chain test token, as we are testing on testnet. So as you can see, I have two Telegram accounts open. this is the client's account, and this is the freelancer's account. So we will be simulating the escrow flow from the client to the freelancer, and back and forth until the job is completed as enforced by the escrow. So here I am creating a job with the freelancer's wallet address, and our agreed settlement token is USDT. Okay, let's go. Yeah, job is being created. Yeah, we have our escrow contract created, which is this. So you have the information associated with the escrow, which is the client, me, my wallet address, and the freelancer's wallet address, and the escrow address. You have the full escrow address right here. So you can copy the escrow address and head over to the mini bot to be able to use the client actions and the freelancer using his own actions and stuffs like that. So that is where we have our UI and UX in the Forje Forje mini app. So you can go here to carry out the next steps, which is calling the necessary functions to be able to complete the job and have the escrow release funds to the freelancer. You can also head to BSC scan to do the same thing over there, but for the purpose of this test, I will open the escrow in BSC scan so we can confirm the on-chain activities. Yeah, open. Okay, yeah. Okay, right here we have the new escrow contract that was just deployed by me. So this escrow contract holds 10 Forje, which is the reward for the freelancer if he does completes the job without disputes, without hazels. Then he gets 10 Forje as a reward for job well done. Okay, so here you can see the transaction is 0. Nothing has been, the client has not done anything, the freelancer has not done anything. When they do, we will have all the transactions right here. So let's head back to the Telegram. Yeah, now that the escrow contract is created, I as the client will have to provide the escrow contract to the freelancer for Telegram ID binding. That way he will be able to receive notifications when I make deposits, when I make the contract emits events done by me or by the freelancer. So we will head over to the freelancer Telegram. So here you can search for the bot on Telegram, then the bot pops up, and okay, as the freelancer I start the bot, then I see the welcome message. So I will link the escrow to my Telegram ID, link escrow wallet, my role freelancer, and I would also add my wallet address to confirm that truly I am the freelancer coded into the escrow contract. So here we have the link. Yeah, okay. Yeah, the freelancer has linked his Telegram ID with the escrow. We can confirm that, the freelancer can confirm that, the client can confirm by using the who command followed by the escrow to see who gets notified when the contract emits events. So here we can see the client Telegram ID, the freelancer wallet, and Telegram ID, the Oracle. The Oracle settles disputes after 2 days if the client and the freelancer cannot come to terms, cannot agree between themselves. So the only person that has to link Telegram ID to the escrow is the freelancer. Automatically the client Telegram ID is linked to the escrow when he deploys one. So the only thing the freelancer has to do is link his Telegram ID to the escrow, which has been done. Okay, as the freelancer, I head over to the Forje, which is here, the mini app. You can use this, you can use this. This is ever present. Okay, our mini app is loading. Yeah, let me move it to the center for clarity. I can expand it if I want. Okay, so here we put the contract address and the escrow address, and you can see the escrow information is automatically pulled up. We have the client, the freelancer, the oracle, the deposit deadline set to 2 days. This is based on the escrow contract timestamps here, and we have the start deadline here as well. That is 2 days after the client makes deposit. The freelancer has got to start working, and the completion deadline will be updated after the freelancer has input the agreed number of days to complete the job. Yeah, so here you can see we have the guide box. It tells both party what to do next, and here we have deposit, BNB fee, settlement token. Yeah, okay, let me connect my wallet as the client. The wallet, okay, it is already connected. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will disconnect and connect again, so we can all see how connection can be done when you are using desktop Telegram. But if you are using Telegram and this mini app on your phone, you do not have to do this sort of connection every time. When you connect your wallet, it's you have to automatically pick from a list of wallets available, such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet. So whichever one you choose to connect to your mini app, every time you carry out you use an action, so the wallet is automatically pulled up. It foregrounds your mini app and you approve your transaction. But here on the desktop, I have to connect my wallet through the wallet connect barcode. So right now I have my MetaMask opened on my phone, and I scanned the barcode. The wallet is connecting beautifully. Yes, I think we are connected. Yeah, you can see my wallet is connected right now. I can disconnect. So aside from the ForjeGig tab, we have the Forje pad here. We will be making a separate video for these other features. The Forje pad, my launches, which shows all the token you have launched as a dev. The launch board, which shows all of the tokens launched on the Forje pad. But this is another video we will have to make for this entirely. So here on ForjeGig, we have our wallet connected. Before anything, you have to approve USDT spending for the escrow contract. This is a security feature, to prevent the contract from spending more than you intended to be used as a settlement amount. So I will be using $10. We will assume that I agreed $10 with the freelancer to make a logo for me. So I have to approve this $10 for payment. So here we have USDT automatically pulled from the escrow as the settlement token. I can change it to USDC, but it will not work because in the escrow I did not choose USDT as the settlement. I did not choose USDC as the settlement token. It was USDT. So the mini app is going to force me to use a USDT because it is what it is in the escrow contract. Okay, so let's approve 10 USDT for the escrow contract to spend. This is just a pop-up that MetaMask always do when you try to make transactions. Yep. Okay, I have the transaction on my phone. I just have to confirm, and we will approve $10 for spending. Okay, it's approving. Coming up. Yeah, now our USDT is approved, $10 for the job as agreed with the freelancer right here. So at this stage, we will not get a notification until deposit is made and fee is paid, and yeah, request revision, raise dispute, refund. Yeah, notifications can be gotten when any of these actions are called. Okay, let's go ahead and make our $10 deposit into the escrow, not to the freelancer. Remember, the escrow holds the fund until the freelancer has completed the job and the client is satisfied with the job and he can approve. So I have the transaction on my phone. I will just go ahead and confirm. Okay, transaction is pending. Yeah, I think when we make when the deposit is confirmed, we should have notification sent to the client and the freelancer. Confirming. You will have to forgive me because BNB Smart Chain Testnet is quite slow. Okay, we have a deposit made. $10 deposit has been made, and let's wait for, yeah, you see the client has been notified that I deposited 10 USDT for this escrow, and the freelancer, which is here, has also been notified that deposit has been received into this escrow. So I will go ahead and pay the platform fee of 0.002 BNB. So that is the fee per escrow created. So let's go ahead and pay the fee. Yeah, after this, once pay fee has been confirmed, then we will check BSC scan to make sure everything we have been doing is actually on chain. Yep, let's go ahead and confirm the pay fee. Yep, our fee has been paid, 0.02 BNB. So if you look at yeah, and the client has gotten the feedback. You paid the fee, 0.002 BNB. Freelancer can start escrow, and the freelancer got a message, fee paid, 0.02 BNB. You can now start the job escrow this. So if you look at our mini app, you will see the guide message has changed to read wait for freelancer. As the client, it is telling me this, and you can see deposit $10, 10 USDT, BNB fee paid, yes. settlement token USDT. Then we come to our status bar, state funding deposit 10 USDT. I have 2 revisions to make. So now we are waiting for the freelancer to also access the mini app on his own path to start job and to submit proof of job done. So before we head to the freelancer Telegram to carry out the freelancers action, let's head over to BSC Scan. Let's view the escrow contract on BSC Scan to be sure that everything we have been doing is on chain. Okay, this is the escrow. Here you can see that we made deposit. We made deposit to the escrow. Here is the escrow address. We made a deposit of $10 into the escrow. Let's see details. Yeah, my wallet, I interacted with this escrow, and $10 was transferred from my wallet into the escrow, BEP20 USDT token. So that was the first transaction. And the second transaction was the pay fee transaction, which is this 7 minutes ago. Yeah. So you can see right here, from my wallet to contract, escrow contract for 0.02 BNB. So that confirms that our on-chain transactions are working fine, and our event listeners are working fine, because the event listeners need to pick the right event from the escrow smart contract to be able to update the mini app, disabling some buttons and enabling the next action button, and also to be able to send notifications to the freelancer and the client. Okay, so let's head back to our mini app, and we will continue from the freelancer starting job, because the client has made deposit and has paid fee, and they both got notifications. So since we are testing, I am testing on one desktop, so I will just have to disconnect my client wallet and we connect the freelancer's wallet. So all I have to do is switch to the freelancer wallet on my MetaMask, and I will connect that to the mini app through the barcode. Connect wallet. Okay, I will scan this with the freelancer's wallet from MetaMask. Coming up. Yeah, connect. Okay, we are connected. You can see the freelancer's wallet address here, and in the escrow you can also see here escrow and freelancer wallet. This is the freelancer wallet, ends with AF5. You can see it is connected right here, AF5, but the rule is not updated yet. Let's refresh. It should be updated. Oh, okay, it cannot update until we input the escrow address. Let's copy the escrow address from here and input it. Yeah, you can see the role as the freelancer, and you can see the correct wallet, BSC testnet. And right here we have the escrow information here. Yeah, next step it tells me as the freelancer that I am ready to start the job, that I should start the job. So I see the client has made deposit of 10 USDT. BNB fee has been paid. Settlement token is USDT, as I must have agreed with the client. Okay, so right now I will go ahead and start job. So it asks how many days will it take me as the freelancer to complete this job. So let's say I agreed 2 days to make a logo with the client. So I will input 2 days. So this should the transaction should be sent to my wallet as the freelancer for confirmation. So if it doesn't, then I just have to use the open wallet banner to yank up the wallet. So if you are using it on phone and after you are trying to call an action and your wallet doesn't auto pop up, then you can use this banner button to pull up your MetaMask or Trust Wallet, then approve transaction. Yeah, you can see that the start job action has been called, and the client received a notification that the freelancer has started the job related with this escrow contract address. So the deadline on the 8th of December 2025, because the freelancer stated that he could complete the job in 2 days. So my network was bad, so the mini app had to reset. Let's input the escrow once more. Okay, connect wallet. Yeah, wallet is connected and the escrow is loaded. Yeah, okay, the client got the notification of job start. The freelancer also got feedback of job start. So here we have to submit proof of the work done. You cannot just submit a file or document. So your document needs to be IPFS hashed. So all you have to do as a freelancer is to follow this guideline down here and you will be able to hash your job in no time. So let's head over to Pinata and I will hash the supposed logo design as a freelancer. Okay, confirming. Yeah, once the proof is submitted, the client should be notified of the submission. Then he can either approve the job or ask for a revision. Okay, yeah, here the client has been notified, work submitted, approve the hashed file on the escrow, so please review and approve. And here the freelancer got feedback. You submitted proof, waiting for client approval. So as the client, what I will do, yeah, I guess I have to include a short guideline here for the client to unhash the file on Pinata. So I will just copy the CID, head over to Pinata to unhash the file. Then I can see what work the freelancer has done. So here on Pinata, I have to remove the prefix IPFS. Yeah. Okay, let's see if the file, yeah, you see it brings up this file. So I just have to click it or tap it to bring up the file. Yeah, so this is the logo I contracted the freelancer to do for me. So it's okay, but I can ask for a revision by telling him to make the background white. Yeah, to make the background white, and the escrow will make sure that the freelancer does just that. Okay, let's head back over to the mini app, and I will disconnect the freelancer and connect the client to the mini app. Then we will be able to ask for revision or approve. So let's disconnect the freelancer. So I will quickly change my MetaMask to the client wallet. Connect wallet. Yeah, so let me scan. Yeah, connected as the client. So let's copy the escrow. Let's go. Yeah, you see in my action tab or my action section, I have the option to approve the job, or I can request a revision, or I can raise dispute. But in this case, let's ask for a revision. Well, let's not take too much time. Let's just approve the job. Okay, waiting for the transaction to appear in my phone, then I would approve it. Come on. The testnet is so slow. It's what we have to deal with as developers or builders. The RPC and notes is slow. Okay, I am approving the job. I could ask for revision. Yeah, job approved. I got a feedback. Job approved, payment released, 10 USDT plus 10 Forje token as bonus for this escrow. Then the freelancer got notified. You received 10 USDT and 10 Forje bonus for this escrow. Thank you. So what we will do, let's just go to BSC scan to confirm this. Remember, we are using the BSC scan, the testnet version. Everything we have done is on BNB chain testnet. So let's go to transaction. Okay, yeah, you can see everything we have done so far as the client and the freelancer, this simulation. So the client deposited, the client paid fee, the freelancer started the job, the freelancer submitted proof, and the client approved. So let's check the approved transaction hash to see to ensure that the 10 USDT actually got deposited into the freelancer's wallet, and he also got the 10 Forje token as bonus. Okay, here the approved action was called by me, the client. Here's my wallet address. So I interacted with the escrow contract, which is this, ends with 81, and 0.02 BNB. This is the fee that was paid initially. So right here, the escrow contract released 10 USDT to the freelancer's wallet, ending with AF5, 10 USDT, BEP 20 USDT token. And also the escrow released 10 Forje token, BEP 20 token, to the freelancer, the wallet ending with AF5. So it is confirmed on chain that the freelancer got paid after delivering the completed job to the client, and the client was satisfied, therefore calling the approve function. So that is basically how to use the ForjeGig mini app, or to use the ForjeGig tab in the Forje mini app. So you can see. So yeah, I think we can call start. Let's call some commands to see as the client starts. Yeah, starts. I have ever created 8 escrows, and I have one active, one that I am yet to complete. Completed 7 escrows. So I have this to complete. I will complete that later. Okay, so as the freelancer, you can also call stats to view all the escrows you have ever done. So right here, the freelancer has 2 pending escrows that he is yet to complete. Okay, total job ever done 9%, 9 jobs. Okay, that is how it works. So next we will be making video for the Forje pad on how to launch tokens, meme tokens with this, and your tokens automatically get onto the curve, and once your curve is completed, it gets migrated to PancakeSwap. So all of your launches will be shown here. This is the creators board, and here is the launch board where all of the tokens will be displayed.